Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Nyx Advent Calendar. I have here the 24 days Advent Calendar, Love Last Disco, and this one contains 24 full-size products. The price of it is 59 euros and I just got it in the mail. I couldn't wait and I wanted to unbox it immediately. They claim that this is worth over 244 euros. We're going to check that. I'm going to do some calculations at the end of the video, so make sure to stay until the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing videos and also click on the notification bell. I'm waiting to receive more advent calendars and I'm so excited. The theme of this advent calendar is also disco, like the 12 days of advent calendar by Nyx. Door number 1 is here. I'm guessing that it is a lipstick or a lip product. Yes, it is one of these new lipsticks. Oh, it's not coming out. This one here is the Sweat Matte Lipstick and it is in the shade STFU. What does that mean? And we have this cool toned purple lip shade. Ooh, very gorgeous and pigmented. So it has a little bit of a fluorescent finish. It looks like neon. What do you think? Do you like this shade? Let me know in the comments if you have tried these lipsticks and if you like them. Door number 2 is a little one here. I would say loose glitter. I was very close. This is the Foil Play Cream Pigment in the shade Malice. It looks like a dark silvery gray. We don't have a shifter. We have this hole here. Oh no. Okay, so I applied by accident some on my hand. Ooh, it's gorgeous. It has such a beautiful sheen. This is a gunmetal gray silvery pigment. Beautiful. You can make a very nice holiday eye look with this one on top of a dark brown or black gel eyeliner. You can apply it on the eyelid, a little bit on the lower lash line. After that we have door number 3. This is the Sweat Matte Lip Liner in the shade STFU. So it is exactly the same shade with the lipstick and you can use them together. It's not creamy, maybe because the box was outside. Door number 4 is a lip product. This is a Candy Sleek Glowy Lip Color in the shade Jawbreaker. I believe this product is one of the latest releases by Nyx Cosmetics. Okay, I'm very happy that they included something very new in the box. It has a very light artificial scent, but it is almost scentless. Ooh, so pretty. Very pigmented and it has a beautiful sheen. I have never tried this on my lips. This is the first one that I have from this lip line. This one is going to look fantastic for a Christmassy eye look. Number 5 is a bigger door. Maybe we have a palette. Such a big opening for a brush. So this one looks like a blending brush. It has long bristles. They are synthetic. We also have a plastic handle, as I can see. It doesn't have a very precise curved edge. It reminds the E40 brush by Sigma, but as you can see, the edges are very soft. And this one here, all the bristles are not cut in the same way. So the bristles are not shedding and they are very soft. I like that it is a full-size brush, not like the Makeup Revolution brushes. Door number 6. Oops. It's not easy to take the products out from the box. Finally, it's here. And this is the Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Polish. And we have the shade Branch Drunk. Okay. Ooh, it looks like a transparent lip gloss with peachy and golden micro glitter. It doesn't smell. Ooh, it's sticky. You can also use this one on top of the purple lipstick. We have this beautiful packaging for this product with the kisses on the cap. It's a very pretty packaging for a lip product. I don't know what other shades they have for this lip gloss. Let me know if you have tried it in another darker one. The door for number 7 has a different shape. Maybe we have an eyeshadow. I was right! This is the eyeshadow in the shade Heat Chaleur. I'm killing the name, I'm sorry. The packaging is very similar to the MAC Cosmetics eyeshadows. And we have this beautiful bow here, so pretty. Let's see the color. This is a dark burgundy shimmery eyeshadow. This is such a gorgeous color for the holidays. And you can blend this on the eyelid, a little bit in the crease closer to the eyelid, and you can make a very nice smoky eye look. Okay, let's find door number 8 now. 8, where are you? Seriously, where are you? Okay, here it is. Door number 8 is a very long one. Maybe we have another brush. Oh no, it's not a brush, but again a very big opening. This is a retractable lip liner and we have the shade Nude. It is very creamy and I believe you can also use it all over the lips as a lip product. It is also easy to blend, so I'm guessing that it is not going to be drying on the lips. This is a very basic lip color that can match with any lipstick that you have. Moving on to door number 9. Whoops! We have one every year. I have never seen this one. Is it new? It is the Slip Tease Lip Lacquer full color in the shade Strawberry Whip. This one has a minty scent, very light, and what's happening with this pigmentation? For now it is glossy and we have this dark mauvish lip color that is very similar to my t-shirt today. After that we have number 10. This is the metallic eyeliner in the shade Gunmetal. The packaging has a matte finish, only the bottom has a glossy. This eye pencil has a very nice soft touch feeling. It doesn't feel cheapish, it is very nice. I'm guessing this is the same color like the pigment that we got, this one here. It is very creamy, super creamy, and it has a very nice sheen. You can apply this on your eyelid and after that press with your fingertip the pigment. I like that they have products that go very well together. Let's continue with door number 11. And we have a lip product. Fail. And this is the Liquid Sweat Metallic Matte Lipstick in the shade Biker Bear, almost scentless. This one is very creamy and not very metallic. It has a dark red wine color. Number 12 looks like a blush. It's not. And this one is the hashtag This Is Everything Lip Loving Balm. I think we don't have a shade, otherwise it is TIEB01 C3PO. And let's see what this is. Okay, it has a very light strawberry scent and it can last up to 18 months. It has a thick consistency like a lip balm, but also it is very soft. I will need to use it on my lips to see how it works. This is door number 13, maybe a highlighter. This one is the Duochromatic Illuminating Powder. We have it in the shade Snow Rose. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a line like a mark on the highlighter. Maybe that's a mistake of the pressing machine. I'm swatching and I can still see that line. At first it looks like a white highlighter, but it has a pink sheen. It's not a very blinding, shiny highlighter, so that means that you can have a very smooth, light sheen of pink on your cheekbones. After that, we have door number 14. This is the inner eyeliner in the shade Obsidian, so maybe you can use this one to tightline your eyes. That's a very unique product. So this is a dark blue, very creamy eye pencil that, as they say, you can use in the inner part of your eyeline. Let me know if you have tried this one and also if it works in the waterline. Door number 15. This one is the soft matte metallic lip cream in the shade Copenhagen. I already have this one and it is what I have now on my lips. This is mine and this is the new one. I forgot to check the lip shade and I removed the plastic layer. This is how it looks on my lips. It has a very light sheen. It's not very metallic and also very comfortable on the lips. As I can see, the color collected in the inner part of my lips. That, as you can see, it's not very bad. I didn't lose the color intensity and I'm drinking a lot of water now. 16 is here and we have another brush. So this is the brush 10. Oh, they have numbers. Okay, this one is number 17. I didn't see that. It looks like an eyeliner brush that you can use to outline your eyes. You can use it with an eyeshadow or a gel eyeliner. It has a very nice weight to it. It doesn't look flimsy. Also, it doesn't have any harsh edges. It's not shedding and it has synthetic bristles. Number 17 is the 2-in-1 lippy. It says line and load. We have the shade Ride or Die. So I thought we had two products, but we have one. It looks like an eyeliner. We have a very thin tip. Maybe that's why it is called Line and Load. Ooh, very pigmented, chocolatey. This is a warm brown chocolatey lip shade. The applicator is very flexible. Door number 18 is not a blush again. This is Everything lip scrub. I didn't know that they have lip scrubs. It looks like a lip balm. I think it has a very light, sweet chemical scent. Ooh, it is grainy. It has very fine beads and they feel like sugar. I'm going to wash my hands and I'm coming back. And the packaging for the product is metallic. It is the same like the lip loving balm. Number 19 is the Away We Glow liquid highlighter in the shade Gold Rush. It has a very strong stopper. The applicator is not transferring a lot of product on my skin. It has a very lightweight and slippery formula, but it's not very pigmented. This one is going to look better on someone with a darker skin tone. On me, it's not going to be highlighting. Let's continue with door number 20. This one here is the Cosmic Metals Lip Cream in the shade Metropolitan Night. This is a very pretty, deeper champagne color and it is shinier than the liquid highlighter that we got. I have never used this lip cream before. Let me know if you have tried another lip color. We have here the Worth the Hype Volumizing Lengthening Mascara. And this is in the shade Black. It doesn't say if it is waterproof. So we have natural bristles with this one. I like very dark black mascaras. I hope that this one is volumizing and lengthening. Next we have 22. We have the box for this one too. And it is the Glitter Goals liquid lipstick in the shade Shimmy or Shiny. Ooh, I was expecting something golden. On the box it says, this matte liquid lipstick glides on metallic and shifts to a dazzling glitter finish. Let's see how it looks. So we have this beautiful red lipstick. It has also some gold glitter and after that you press and it becomes metallic and glittery. It's not very noticeable now because I don't have it on my lips. Okay, very interesting product. I think Stila Cosmetics was the first brand that had something like that. I have tried also something by Essence. It didn't work and I think now it is discontinued, so we're fine. And here we have 23. This is the Glitter Brilliance Face and Body Glitter in the shade Bronze. For this one here we have a small shifter. This one looks like a salt shaker but with a lot of beautiful glitter. I applied some on the back of my hand so I can show you the color. They have a very nice sparkle. Let's continue with 24. This one here is the Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade French Maid. And it looks like a cool tone grey purple lip color. It is very creamy. It has a very nice color payoff. The applicator absorbed a lot of product. I can say that the variety of the products is pretty good. I was expecting more face products to be honest, but I don't mind that we don't have a lot. I like the products, most of them are new to me, and let me know in the comments if you want to see a tutorial with the products or lip swatches maybe. You can find here the Nyx 12 days advent calendar and the overall value for this one is 177 euros. Not exactly what they claim. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next video. Bye!